Leader and President Emerson Mnangagwa declared that ZANU-PF official would do everything to keep power as he officially launched the ruling party's campaign for the August 2023 elections. So, in this day and era, we still have someone promising to do everything possible, everything and anything to retain power. Okay. Can you build hospitals for you to retain power for the people to vote for you? Can you buy cancer machines for the people to vote for you? Can you develop a modern transport system for the people to vote for you? Can you bring free education for the people to support you? Can you deal with the issue of inflation and prices so that the people of Zimbabwe can vote for you? Can you solve the land crisis we have in Zimbabwe so that the people of Zimbabwe can vote for you? Can you give title to the people of Zimbabwe? Because you are talking about anything. And we have to tell you what you have to do for the people of Zimbabwe to vote for you. So, kumamisha hakuna mvura, kumaruwa hakuna mvura. Yetu urikuda another 5 years. 43 years makatadza. Mozozviita mu 5 years. Zvawakatadza kuita mu 43 years. It's like an assignment which is supposed to be done in 90 days. You say you want to do it in a day or in 2 days. It can't. It can't. It's like you want an elephant to fit into a Honda Fit car. How is that possible? It's not possible. So, this is the reason why we have the creation of FARs. This is the reason why we have so much intimidation in rural areas. This is the reason why we had Hubert Angel claiming that there is 240 million war chest for this election. This is the reason why you are pouring funds and funds and funds everywhere. You have bought luxurious vehicles for the MP candidates of your party. But you do not care about development. You do not care about important matters. You do not care about water in the rural areas, in the communities, about better schools in the communities. I come from Mwenezi. My school, the school I use, the school pandichaenda ndichinovhota pane block 1 rechikoro rakavakwa nevabereki. There is no input of the president on that block. There is no government input on that block. Vabereki, in 10 years, this school is 10 years old. But up to now, pane block 1 rechikoro, and you want 4-5 more years. We are talking about a bowl yekuti vabereki vari kudhaya mombe dzichinwa ipapo, and you want 5 more years. We are talking about a deep tank rinochererwa mvura kubva kuzvibhorani zviri kure, and you want 5 more years. To do what exactly? To do what? We are talking about an area yekuti ukasiwa nekombi makuseni zvavharana. Chero wanga une appointment na doctor kana wanga une interview yekubasa zvatovharana. This is the area we are talking about. We are talking about an area yekuti for you to be a woman who is pregnant, kuti unozvarira hospital unonzi bhadhara advance fee ambulance. That is not proper. And you promise to do anything to win these elections. You are joking. Why? It's because the people of Zimbabwe, the citizens of Zimbabwe, will do double. Whatever you do, the people of Zimbabwe will do double or triple to make sure that they bring change to the nation of Zimbabwe. That is the reason why you have seen Triple C fielding candidates everywhere. It's because people are tired. It's because people want change. We have never seen what happened in Mwenezi this time around, because in the past paitombotamburwa kuti opposition ive nema-candidates Mwenezi. But this time around, even ZANU-PF people were shocked to say, yeah, we thought we were alone. Vanhu vese vabva kupi ava? At first they thought kuti ma-independent candidates evamwe vavo, but at last they understood kuti mafaces avaiona we knew kuZANU-PF havasati vambomaona mafesi akadaro achiuya. And they understood kuti this is Triple C. So, the people of Zimbabwe are ready. We are ready for change. We are not going to let you do whatever you want to do. We are not going to let you play with our emotions, play with our future. We are going to deal with this issue. We are going to campaign. We are going to tell the people the truth. We are going to win this election.